So, good morning to all of you. Today we'll discuss about the role of genetic engineering, modern biotechnology in the field of agriculture. Genetic engineering plays important role in development of different type of genetically modified crop plant. And these genetically modified crop plant are developed by genetic manipulation of the plant by introducing alien gene, desired gene. The some plant has been developed like BT cotton, which is resistance to insect. The insect resistance ability developed into the BT cotton by introducing the gene which is able to synthesize protoxin, and in the gut of the insect it becomes toxin alkaline in alkaline medium and destroy the insect and crop remain protected. Similarly, the different crop plant has been developed by introducing the gene to increase the improved quality, amount of vitamins, amount of essential amino acid, amount of essential fatty acid, and some such type of crop has been developed which are resistant to abiotic factor and pathogens, biotic factor. Some the plant developed which is resistant to pest like tobacco plant. Similarly, the golden rice is developed by genetic engineering process which contains rich amount of vitamin A. Some such plant develops which can get early maturity, as well as some tailor crop plant developed by genetic engineering which produce huge amount of molasses and products for other industry like as a biofuel and medicine, production of medicine and some other products. So today we'll discuss about the development of the BT cotton, a insect resistant genetically modified crop. Genetically modified crop plant BT cotton, which is resistance to insect. This BT cotton is resistance to insect. How this BT cotton has been developed and how it is protected from the attack of harmful insects. So this BT term comes with the name of one bacteria. One bacteria, its name is Bacillus thuringiensis. A bacteria, its name is Bacillus thuringiensis. This bacteria contain one special type of gene that is called as cry gene. This cry gene DNA that regulates the synthesis of cry protein, that gene is called as cry gene, small CRY cry gene, that regulates the synthesis of cry protein. And this gene is isolated. Now, this gene, cry gene, is introduced into a plant cell. Which plant cell? That is cotton plant cell. Suppose this is the cotton plant cell, and this gene, this is the cotton plant cell, and now this gene is introduced into this cell. This gene is introduced into this plant cell. Here, this gene is introduced into this plant cell. Now, this gene becomes the part of this plant cell. This, due to introduction of this cry gene of this bacteria, now the genetic makeup of this plant cell undergo change. So this is called as genetically engineered cell. Genetically engineered cell. Of this cell is kept into culture medium. This cell is kept into culture medium, here nutrients medium. In the culture medium, here this cell multiply, undergo multiplication. When it multiply, this gene is also multiplies and form cluster of cell. In the culture medium, it form cluster of cell that is called as calyx. In the culture medium, it form cluster of cell, and in each cell this gene is present. Okay, fine. Calyx. Now, in the next step, in the calyx, what is going to add? In the calyx, what is going to add? Here in the calyx, cytokinin is added. Cytokinin is added, and auxin is added. Here, when cytokinin is added, now shoot will develop, and auxin is added, now here root will develop. Ultimately, it develops into plantlet. Now it get converted into plantlet. Plantlet means one small plant. Now this plant undergo, this is plantlet. Whose plantlet? Cotton plant. And later on, after hardening, it is kept into soil. When it is kept into soil, now it develops as a cotton plant. So when it grows as a plant, now this is not a simple plant. This is BT cotton, which is insect resistance. How this BT cotton becomes insect resistant? And this is genetically modified. Why this is genetically modified? Because the genetic makeup of this plant has been manipulated, changed by introduction of this crygene of bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. This crygene of bacteria regulates the synthesis of cryprotein, and this cryprotein is not harmful for bacteria. It is not harmful for plant. But when insect will feeds, it enters into its gut. In the alkaline pH, the cryprotein, which is protoxin, get converted to toxin and makes pore in the epithelial lining. Then the epithelial lining get lysis damaged, and the insect unable to feed and get starved and cannot survive, and plant remain protected. So what I am telling here, this genetically modified crop plant, its each and every cell have original its own texture, but it contains one additional gene, that is the crygene. Now this crygene, you see, this crygene which is taken from this bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, this crygene small cry that regulates the synthesis of what? Cryprotein. It regulates synthesis of cryprotein, capital CRY. Cryprotein हम कह रहे हैं, capital CRY. This cryprotein is protoxin. ये क्या है? प्रोटॉक्सिन है. इस बैक्टीरिया में भी ये प्रोटॉक्सिन बनता है, लेकिन यहाँ कोई हानि नहीं पहुंचाता, क्योंकि ये प्रोटॉक्सिन है, इनएक्टिव है. ये क्राइप्रोटीन जो रेगुलेट हुआ इस जीन से बना, वो प्रोटॉक्सिन है. एक्टिव कब होगा, टॉक्सिक कब होगा? एल्केलाइन पीएच पर. अब ये प्रोटॉक्सिन इन एल्केलाइन पीएच, कब? इन एल्केलाइन पीएच. जैसे कोई इंसेक्ट यहां आया, सपोज कर लीजिए कोई इंसेक्ट यहां आया और इसको फीड कर रहा है. सपोज कर लीजिए इंसेक्ट आ गया यहां इसकी सतह पर, और यहां से यह इंसेक्ट इसको खा रहा है. इसको खाएगा तो कहाँ जाएगा, इसके गट में आ जाएगा, इसके गट में आ जाएगा, इसको खाएगा इंसेक्ट या इसके पार्ट को, तो यह कहाँ आ गया, ये इंसेक्ट है, ये इंसेक्ट है, इंसेक्ट, और यह लीफ है प्लांट की। इस लीफ के सेल में वह जीन आया है और वह जीन क्राई जीन क्या बनाया, क्राई प्रोटीन, यहाँ क्राई प्रोटीन बनी है, बट वो एल्कलाइन मीडियम नहीं है यहाँ, इसलिए कोई हानि नहीं है। लेकिन जैसे ही खाया, अब इस इंसेक्ट के गट में आएगा, इन द गट ऑफ इंसेक्ट, इन गट ऑफ इंसेक्ट एल्कलाइन पीएच है। कैसा पीएच है, बेसिक है, एल्कलाइन पीएच। in the gut of insect in alkaline pH क्या होगा, प्रोटॉक्सिन get converted into टॉक्सिन। यह जो प्रोटॉक्सिन था, अब यह प्रोटॉक्सिन किस में बदल गया, टॉक्सिन में, माने इसके गट में आके टॉक्सिन में बदला, और जैसे ही गट में आके टॉक्सिन में बदलेगा तो क्या होगा, अब सपोज करते हैं टॉक्सिन में बदला, इट गेट बाइंड विद द एपिथेलियल लाइनिंग ऑफ द गट, गट के उसके एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के मेक्स पोर, देन लाइसिस, डैमेज ऑफ द एपिथेलियल टिश्यू अकर्स, एपिथेलियल लाइनिंग अकर्स, देन इंसेक्ट इज अनएबल टू फीड। If insect will unable to feed, then it get eaten and die, and the plant remain protected. So what I am telling, a gene, cry gene is present in the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. This cry gene is taken, multiplied, and introduced into particular crop plant cell, and this cell is genetically engineered due to entry of this cry gene, because its genetic makeup undergo change. Now this cell, genetically engineered cell, culture into culture medium, form chylus, cytokinin and arginine is added, then form plantlet, shoot and root, then plantlet grows after hardening and transplanted into soil. In the soil, when it grows, if by the chance any insect will attack on this Bt cotton genetically modified crop, then feeds upon its tissue, then the plant tissue where protoxin is present, and it comes into the gut in alkaline pH, that protoxin get converted into toxin, and this damage the epithelial lining of the gut, then insect is unable to feed, the insect get starved and it will die and plant remain protected. So similarly, Bt cotton, just similarly the similar type of gene, cry gene, added, introduced into the brinjal plant cell, then Bt brinjal. In other plant where insects are attacking, you can also introduce this gene to develop genetically modified crop plant to protect the plant from that insect. Similarly, the various strain of this bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis produce the cry protein, which is harmful for the certain group of insects, just like Lepidopterans, Coleopterans and Dipterans. Nowadays, the cry gene is isolated from the Bacillus thuringiensis different strain. The cry first AC, and cry second AB to control the cotton bollworm, and cry first AB to control carbon borer. So different strain from different strain of bacteria, this different type of gene is used, cry first AC and cry second AB to control the cotton bollworm, and the cry first AB to control the carbon borer used. So this way we can develop insect resistance crop. Thank you very much.